How do I know my stabilizer link is bad? Increased body roll, creaking, clunking, or groaning noises, a tighter than usual turning radius, and abnormal tire wear are all symptoms of a bad sway bar. What causes a sway bar to become bad? Wear from bad links, or bushings, is a common cause. What can stabilizer links provide? Stabilizers reduce the tendency of the vehicle structure to roll when cornering, thereby improving vehicle stability on bends. Stabilizer links connect the stabilizer to either the steering knuckle, transverse, control, arm, or strut.